Let's make it loud for your Lethbridge Hurricanes! And now the starting lineup for your Lethbridge Hurricanes. On defense, number 22, Lenny Hackman. On defense, number 10, Adam Henry. And left wing, number 20, Remi Laurencelle. And right wing, number 8, Tyler Wong. At center ice, number 16, Reid Duke. And your guardian of the goal, the guy with the big stick, number 35, Todd Rimmer. Canadian Tire is helping make the hockey stars of the future get one step closer to playing for the Lethbridge Hurricanes. Tonight's Canadian Tire player is Kish. If you would like to enter your child to be the 7th player, please visit either South or North Side Canadian Tire location.